Signaling a big step towards reconciliation, Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh has decided to host a tea party for state Congress leaders, including all the MLAs, on Friday before heading for the official elevation ceremony of newly appointed State Congress Chief Navjot Singh Sidhu. Amid concerted efforts by the senior Congress leaders and pressure mounting on the Chief Minister to call a truce with Sidhu, Chief Minister Amarinder Singh has accepted the invite from the party's working president Kuljit Nagra to attend the ceremony at Congress Bhavan in Chandigarh at 11 a.m. Minutes after the invite was handed over, Ravin Thukral, the media advisor to the CM, tweeted informing about the tea party being hosted by Captain Amarinder before heading to the installation ceremony. The centre will move a suspension motion in the Rajya Sabha against TMC MP Shantanu Sen, seeking his immediate suspension from the House for his intimidating behaviour towards another member of parliament. Massive uproar and commotion ensued in the upper house on Thursday after Sen snatched papers from Communication and Information Technology Minister Ashwini Vaishnav and tore those as the minister was about to make a statement on the alleged snooping row using Israeli spyware Pegasus. The motion is likely to be moved by the government via Parliamentary Affairs Ministry on Friday, and a call would be taken by the chair. Depending on the seriousness of the offence, the chair can decide to suspend the MP for 1 day, 1 week, or the remaining part of the session. The government is also considering to move a breach of privilege motion against Shantanu Sen, which can be a long drawn process, and the complaint can be sent to the Privilege Committee. Rules were recently changed for retired officers planning to write on sensitive subjects pertaining to their erstwhile organizations to prevent a loss to the country, the government told Parliament. The centre last month amended the Central Civil Services Pension Rules 1972, prohibiting retired officials of the security and intelligence organizations from publishing anything related to domain of the organization, including reference or information about any personnel and his designation and expertise or knowledge gained by virtue of working in that organization without prior clearance from the head of the organization. Pensions of the officer could be withheld if he did so. Minister of State for Department of Personnel and Training, Jitendra Singh, has told the Parliament that prior to amendment, it was up to the officials to decide whether the published material falls in the prescribed prohibited categories or not, and if the officer felt that the material he is going to publish does not fall in the prohibited category, then he could publish it without any prior approval from the government. The Government of India has said that Twitter's statement expressing concerns over freedom of expression and safety of its employees in India was an attempt to divert attention from its non-compliance with Indian laws at that stage. Twitter, in a statement on May 27th, in the midst of a tussle with the government, had expressed concern over the potential threat to freedom of expression and safety of its employees in India. The statement of Twitter was possibly an effort to divert the attention from the non-compliance to the Information Technology Rules 2021 and the Indian laws at that stage, the Minister of State for Information and Technology, Rajiv Chandrasekhar, said in a written reply in the Parliament. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Thursday instructed officials to stay vigilant and start rescue operations immediately, as the Indian Meteorological Department has predicted very heavy rains for the next 3 days. A red alert has also been issued for Konkan region. Thackeray held an emergency meeting to take stock of the flood situation in Ratnagiri and Raigad district caused due to a torrential rain in the last 24 hours. Water levels in the rivers are constantly rising, hence citizens staying close by are advised to take the adequate precaution and cooperate with the administration, the Chief Minister added. Heavy rains have been lashing Ratnagiri since Thursday morning, causing rivers to overflow and highway near Lanza village to shut. Goa highway has also been blocked, while Konkan railway has completely shut its route.